Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Do you remember L16 camera that made headlines for featuring a whopping 16 lenses? Well, the company behind the camera is said to be working on a smartphone with up to 9 sensors on the back. According to reports, multiple prototypes with between 5 to 9 cameras are said to be in the works. It looks like the alleged new phone will be able to capture 64-megapixel photos, all while keeping the phone slightly thicker than the iPhone X. As of now, there's no official confirmation, but a phone would be announced sometime later this year. It also remains to be seen if Lite is developing this phone on its own or working with existing smartphone makers.